This is how I clean my George Foreman. This is awkward, not supposed to immerse it, obviously. And we cooked steaks on it. And I would soak these down. In fact, I'll probably put some more water onto it and let it steam. And then I'll let it cool off a little bit and wipe it down. So it's still very hot, but everything's been loosened. So it's a lot easier when I can use both hands. So that's still very, oh, there. Just need a little bit more pressure. So all the carbonized steak. See, these are still damp. So that just took a few minutes, and it's all wiped down. Used 2 paper towels. I got this at a thrift store, so I don't have the proper thing, but I use this little tray to catch when I'm actually using it and when cleaning. So I will finish wiping down the outside before I put it away once it cools off, but that's it. We have a smaller one that does the 2. We did 4 steaks last night, so needed this bigger one. And I love it. I think this is one of the best things. Because we use it at least once a week. I hope this helps if you ever need to clean one of these. They can be a pain. But this I found was the easiest, was just to use some damp washcloths, steam it, it loosens it up, and then wipe it down. Be a blessing and be blessed.